G'day and welcome to this week's video. My name is Ashley Rowan and I'm a financial planner with Consortium Private Wealth. In today's video, we're going to have a quick chat about some of the changes being introduced in July 1 this year, and these changes have to do with contributions into superannuation. Before we get into it, just a quick disclaimer to state that this is general information only. If you require specific financial advice in relation to your certain situation, go speak to a qualified professional or financial advisor. Now, we'll kick it off by starting with the superannuation guarantee payment. So this is traditionally what your employer pays into your superannuation fund on your behalf. Now, the current rates are set at 9.5% and they have been set at that amount for a number of years now. Come July 1 this year, that'll increase by 0.5%, so increasing up to 10%. Now, there's further increases in line over the next, I believe, 4 years, and they'll increase up by 0.5%. At the beginning of each financial year, where it'll cap out at 12% come July 1, 2025, I believe. So increasing all the way from where it is now at 9.5% up to 12%. Now, that can make a substantial difference come retirement. So a quick projection I just prepared prior to this video. Let's say we have a 40-year-old who has $150,000 in superannuation today. Now, he has a salary of $80,000 per year, so based under current arrangements at 9.5%, I've calculated the balance of his superannuation fund at retirement, so age 67, to be $590,000. Now, let's bring him into the new world where SG rates have increased up to 12%. Now, under the same situation, $80,000 per year income, $150,000 starting balance. At retirement, so at age 67 for this individual, the balance of his super fund would be worth approximately $650,000. So that's an increase of $60,000 over his investment time frame there. And this is based on quite a conservative 5% average investment return during the term of investment. So with an extra few percent as an employer contribution, it can make a substantial difference come retirement. So it'll I guess it'll also ease a lot of pressure off the government with how much they have to pay out as social security, given that you've got more wealth behind you backing your own retirement income streams. So July 1 this year, there's an increase in SG payments kicking off with that first 0.5%. Now, another change we've got is the limits to contributions into superannuation. They're also increasing, beginning with concessional contributions. That's set at the moment at $25,000 per year. That is increasing up to $27,500 per year. So if you're salary sacrificing, obviously your employer contributions are going up, so that forms part of the concessional contributions. However, if you're trying to maximise the amount you're getting into superannuation each year, so if you're nearing retirement, for example, you've got a small window, you may be able to increase your payments into superannuation. The other contribution type being non-concessional contributions, that's currently at $100,000. So these are contributions in which you aren't claiming a tax deduction. As I mentioned, that's set at $100,000 now. That will increase July 1 this year to $110,000. So able to squeeze a little bit more money in. Once again, people leading into retirement like to contribute large lump sums into superannuation. So this is a good opportunity to fit a more meaningful amount in. So there are a couple of the major changes occurring within a few months. If you'd like further information, as I mentioned at the start of the video, speak to a qualified professional or have a chat with your financial advisor and they can send you down the right path. Thanks for listening. I hope this information was valuable.